is a test. See if Louie got me in the biggest trouble of my life. Because I have to go to work tomorrow. And this is pretty deep snow. Louie wanted to play. Let's see if he likes playing now. Oh! You sure you know what you're doing?
I'm a professional. I used to drive tow trucks.
No, you did not.
When I was younger.
Oh my gosh, this is pretty thick though. It gets me in more trouble.
Look at this.
Oh gosh. Gary, be careful. Alright, if we die, it's all going to be on video that you killed me. Because this was your idea to come up here. Careful, go slow. Go slow, go slow, go slow. I know you have four-wheel drive, but... Oh my gosh. Gary, be careful.
Yes.
There, don't forget that's a swell over there.
Yeah. These are the ruts I just made going down.
Well, it's slipping, Gary. It's slipping already. Okay, that means it's icy under there. We should get out of here now. We should go home. Don't you think? Like, pretty darn soon. Careful, careful. That is a cliff. You don't want to ruin your new truck. This is Gary wanting to play like a little boy. Mind you, this was not my idea. No, it was not. Not at all. I just went along for the ride. This was his idea. Right there. So we'll see. If I die, you all need to write on Gary's Facebook post that this was not a well thought out decision. Let's see if we make it. It's questionable. Yeah, it's questionable to me. You can't even see up over the top of this snow thing on the hood.
This car.
Oh my God, don't let him hit you, Gary. Oh, jeez. Oh, he can't get up in his driveway. Gary, watch where you go.
See, they plowed here.
Yeah, I can see that. Not. Okay, our maiden voyage. We'll see if we can get out of Dodge today. Oh my gosh. What you get me into?
Hi.
Admit that this was your idea.
This was my idea. Look at that.
Thank you for saying that.
The roads are plowed.
Okay, thanks for saying that. That does not look plowed to me. Not at all. Does that look plowed to you?
Yeah.
Well, yes, it was plowed, but that doesn't mean there's not another foot on top. Oh, this is where you always get into trouble this way. You know this is your bad way. You know this is the steep way, right? That's probably why you took this way. The other way would be less steep, you know.
This is not an issue.
That's what you said when you bump blank, blank, blank. But I'm recording, so I won't say the blank, blank part. You keep your eye out.
It's plowed. Did you want to go up there and test it?
Look at that. You can see it's blinding.
Look at the mailbox.
Oh my gosh. It's buried. I can't even see over the hood. There's still like... Be careful. This is really steep now. We died. This is someone needs to put this on YouTube to show men how not to take their wives on crazy trips. Okay, when they say, is that a good idea?
Let's just go to Fred's and get lunch and come back. This way I can clean the car off. Right?
Okay.
Unless you want to go
I don't need lunch, but if you do, I have carrots and ranch. Thank you. Please don't hit that car, because this could be icy right here.
Car in the ditch.
Okay, it's not in the ditch, it's in a parking spot. But if you slide down there, you're going to hit that nice little car. Oh my gosh, I think we really do need to head out pretty soon. Oh, I think it's gone too late for that. Let's see how the parkway looks. This is all going to be recorded. This is your bad spot. Remember your incident on this road? I won't mention the incident, okay? Because right now I'm recording. I don't think you want to share your incident, do you?
I had no incident.
Okay, what not to do in epic snowfall. Look at this house they're building here. They built this addition. It came out very nice, by the way, whoever owns this. Nice job. Do you want to talk about that? Oh, you okay? We can talk about it. Want to?
We're going for it.
Okay. Famous last words. Oh, it's all recorded. This is where we always got stuck, right here. And you have to have a four-wheel vehicle. You will never get up this spot. I don't know why. But this spot, if you're not going so fast and you can't go that fast to get momentum, you will stop right here and you will not get anywhere. Careful, Gary. Watch out for other people now.
Want to go to that ski place?
No, I'd just rather go home now.
Well, I want to go get the snow off.
All right, then go to Fred's.
All right, see how it is on my right.
You're fine. You're fine. Yeah, I think we really should head out because it's still coming down. I mean, it's coming down. Look how thick the flakes are.
I know, that's the one.
Oh my God, Gary. Holy crap.
What?
See, this is why you're not supposed to be on the road.
They're plowing.
Whoa. See, you need to listen to Jim Cantori and stay off the roads. Now you're going to go right past them. In Boone.
We're not going by Boone.
Yeah. Oh, we're not going by Boone. I forgot. We live in Georgia. I totally forgot about that. Careful around this curve. Careful.
Yeah, we got it good. So this way we dig a little bit when we get home.
Dig a little bit.
I want to just clear out some spots, where the heater is, the furnace pipes.
Well, have fun, young man. Okay? I'll be packing the car up. Is it slippery? You sure?
If you know how to
hope
drive.
if you make it home without an incident, then this Ford, whatever this is, did very well.
You want to try that road?
No. Ooh, that's slippery. I felt that. I'm starting to sound like Mike Seidel now. Ooh, careful, Gary. Watch other people. Watch other people. Oh my God, there's more crazy people than us. That's I don't know if it's encouraging or sad. There's other lunatics in the world. Beyond you. How's it handling on the snow though? It is. This could be a good commercial for Ford. Is this a King Ranch? King Ranch. All right, here's a commercial for King Ranches. Okay. They need to sell these vehicles out in Colorado. Not too bad. I think we did okay so far. Problem is other people. That don't have four-wheel drive.
Well, they're not allowed on the road.
Well, did that stop you years ago? Oh yeah, we should have brought our trash and put it in there.
Well, we're going to be going the same way.
Let's just turn around and head back home and pack her
I
up.
want to keep the snow off the car. You can't drive with snow. It's unsafe.
Alright, so we're coming up to Fred's. Pretty slow.
Dump is open.
He's going into Fred's too. Fred, you want two crazy people going into Fred's.
I'm going to clean
put the defrost on?
Defrost is here.
Oh, it's on? Okay.
But let's shut.
This is a big old mess. So here we are at Fred's. He's got some big old piles. Oh, he's got snow chains on. Okay. Snow chains.
Let me,
Go for it. They're going to need to back out, so you might want to back out yourself. He's just checking on the snow chains.
just tell me.
He's going to back out. I'm just letting you know. And this is, I would back out a little bit, because he's going to back out, and he doesn't have any vision behind his, yeah, if you can, because he's not going to be able to see behind him. So you got to be ready for other people, if you know what I mean. Nobody's behind us, so it wouldn't hurt to...
You sure he didn't go in it? It wouldn't hurt what?
To clean it off real fast before he comes back out. I don't know what you're cleaning.
That's what I was going to do.
All right, well, I just wouldn't park right behind him, is all I'm saying.
There's the whole car.
There you go, that's better, getting out of his way. Okay. The life of Louis. He's wearing a jacket 10 sizes too small. And if I showed you the coat rack downstairs, you'd be amazed. I just unlocked it.
What?
I just unlocked it. Now we're gonna honk. Because he has the key in his pocket. Watch this. Now we're gonna start honking. Hear it? Don't ask me why I'm recording. Louis always puts his hat on with the logo, like on the side. So I explained to him today, if he looks at the New York Yankee logo, tries to center it, like over the bridge of his nose, then it will look like normal people more. So he did a good job today, so far. It's only half cockeyed. He's having fun. He's like a little child in the snow for sure. And seriously, this was his idea, not mine. I actually work for a living. Lou just plays in the snow. Shops. He's having fun. Luckily, he found that in our garage. That, whatever it's called, snow scraper. Snow scraper with a stick. It's still coming down, man. It started last night. It's hard to believe it's still coming down. Look at the birds still jumping in their bird feeders at Fred's in the snow. I thought you guys were supposed to fly south. What are you still doing here? These are diehards. Diehard birds. Whoa. Look at them. It's one of the food isn't frozen. It's like a blizzard out there. Oh, it looks like a blizzard from that side. This is Fred's, by the way, the general mercantile store. But here comes those guys that would have backed into Gary's truck. Now they'll just back into Gary. And I'll have to go pick them up. I gotta go pick them up off the snow. Oh boy. Never dull moment. There they come. There goes Louie. Bye-bye, Louie. Nice knowing you. And he wouldn't think to move out of the way. Men just don't have that brain that, women like, they look after their youngins, so they're always thinking a step ahead to protect their youngins. Okay, it's clean. Jiminy Christmas. see what the snow looks like out there. I'll be crazy for a second. Whew. How you making out, Lou? You having fun?
Good.
Good. So it's a winter wonderland up here. I wonder when it will stop snowing. Desert, isn't it?
I don't think I've seen this much snow in a while.
No? Last time we had a massive snowstorm was when Robbie turned 50 for Robbie's birthday party. Rob, how old are you now? All right, did you have fun cleaning everything off now? We better get skedaddling.
Let me just get the rest of it. I want to be safe.
He just loves us. Shame I do still work. We could stay here and play and be safe, but sadly I actually have a job. So off we go. Off we go back to Georgia. Ain't no white stuff there. Woo. I think it's in the 20s.
I'm going to put this in the back here.
Okay, Louie. Over now. Let's see if we make it home. We christened the car, truck, with a lot of snow and ice. Poor thing. Ugh. Sorry, truck. Don't even have the tags on yet. Oh, these mud all-weather things, ouch, are really good. It's a must for up here. Yeah, we'll see if we make it home. I'll let you know. There we go. Bye, Louie.
A lot of snow. A lot of